Okay, the engine's been running for a little bit. It feels like it's quieted down a little bit. It's nowhere near as loud as it was. I've been using the stethoscope here, and I can hear clearly here on the bell housing, and especially when I put up in on the plate up there, and also when I'm up here, kind of on the base of the engine, I feel like I can hear ticking, but man, it's hard to tell because sounds radiate, whatever they're touching they'll radiate to, but I sure feel there's like a lot of noise, a lot of messy noise coming from the viewport cover here. You can definitely hear the ticking, but the ticking I'm hearing up here through the stethoscope almost sounds different than what I'm hearing right now, this kind of louder rattling noise. So I'm going to rev the engine and see what it sounds like.